Whenever I need to cut small pieces of molding like this, I find that a handsaw actually makes a smoother cut. Now the thing is I need a way to secure the workpiece and to guide the saw for smooth, accurate cuts. The solution to this is this miter box. Now this miter box is designed to be used with a Japanese saw that cuts on the pull stroke. Now there's only 3 components to make this miter box. The first is an MDF base, then there's a hardwood fence, and then a slotted guide. Now you'll notice that the fence is on the back of the miter box. That way the cutting action of the saw actually pulls the workpiece tight against the fence and holds it secure. Now the hardboard guides on top allow you to cut both straight, square cuts as well as left and right miter cuts. Now there are a couple of other things that I want to point out about the hardboard guides. The first is that they're held in place by screws. Now the screws let each section of the guide adjust a little bit so that it hugs the side of the saw so that you get the smoothest, straightest cut. The second thing that I want to point out is the holes in the top. This way you can reach into the fence and hold onto the workpiece to keep it secure. One place where this miter box comes in handy is on this drawer front where I want to wrap molding around the inside edge of the frame. Now to do that, I'm going to start by cutting a miter on one end of a few molding pieces. Then I can take the molding piece over to the drawer and then mark the other side of the cut. Then when I come back, I'll just slide the blank into the miter box and position the pencil line even with the kerf in the miter box. Then, with a few short strokes, the molding is cut for a perfect fit. This is a simple, accurate way to make perfect cuts in small parts.
Woodsmithplans.com. Hundreds of professional, high-quality woodworking plans right at your fingertips. Every single plan is presented as an easy-to-download digital package that includes pages of step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, illustrations, and exploded views, retail sources for hardware and supplies, plus a cutting diagram and materials list. Many plans offer handy video overviews and guides. Plus, we're proud to offer our plans in both standard and metric. Everything is here, from gorgeous heirloom furniture projects to handy shop projects and upgrades, clever, cost-effective storage solutions, as well as weekend projects and accessories that are great for gifts, all fully searchable and categorized for easy browsing. Woodsmithplans.com, everything you need for building fine woodworking projects.